So today it's our last day in Goa, and we are planning to cover one of the hidden gem in Goa, and also some other places which are really very beautiful. So let's go and enjoy the last day. Now we are heading to Ashram Beach, which is also known as one of the secret beach in Goa. Finally, after a long journey, we are at Ashram Beach. So let's enjoy the beauty of this Ashram Beach. Ashram Beach, which is one of the best kept secret of Goa. In this beach, you can find lots of foreign tourists, and also you can enjoy the surfing at this beach. The beach has a really pleasant climate, and it has a very less crowd as compared to the any other beach at Goa. And finally, we are at Fountain. Fountain is basically famous for its beautiful structure of houses and vibrant color. You can say any of the color and you can find it over here. So let us have an overview of this place. Finally, after the long journey, basically for some activities and various. Here we are planning to
over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
after enjoying parasailing and also completing one of our bucket list, we are finally headed to Butterfly Beach. Butterfly Beach is really very beautiful and it is also one of the hidden gems of Goa. The beach is basically famous for its butterfly shape and butterflies moving around the hilltop. It is considered one of the best spots to witness the acrobatics of the dolphin. If you love this video, then hit the like button, and if you enjoy this video, then hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out any of the updates from my channel. See you until the next time.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you